Well, so I got a bit of a sidetrack because when I went to take a look at the wiring, I noticed that some frayed wire ends here in the RoboClaw. So I think it's from all the moving around and attempts at getting it to work previously. I just bent them and bent them back too many times. So these need to be replaced before I get any further. So let's tackle that. Okay, I've trimmed off the frayed part, basically just using wire cutters and strippers. And I've got a nice clean wire end now. The mistake that I had done before was I made this exposed part a little bit too long, and basically when you insert it into the pin, if it's too long, you've got too much of the exposed wire still sticking out from the back of the pin, and that just is asking for trouble with the bending it back and forth. So if you can kind of lay in the entire length of the exposed wire inside the channel of the pin, it's a lot more protected. Just one of those things you learn from trial and error, I guess. So basically all we do is, I like to basically kind of crank down to one click on the crimpers. It allows me to get the pin into the crimper like so, and it just holds it like that, the very end there. And then if we simply slip in to the channel like that, and then crimp down until you get that last click, and then it releases, a little wiggle, and it's in there. So the only thing left to do is to slip it into the pin cap, end cap, I'm not sure what they're called. And you do that simply by fitting it in there. And when you do have it, like I said, crimped so that the exposed is all the way into the pin there, the advantage is when you do slip it in, basically you want to get it to the point where it's going to click. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to hear the click or not, but so there was the click. But basically you can see that once you get it to that far into the plastic cap, the entire sheathing is actually inside the cap as well. So it kind of protects the cable. So trial and error. You learn, you live, you learn, right? Okay, on to the next thing.